Hi, so you asked for a video just to show you how to create a graph using Google Sheets or Excel. Okay, so here's the best thing to do is you have to highlight and notice how I have mine set up here. If you don't have your Excel sheet spread up like created like this, you want to go back and create it like this with the name, the country name, etc. Because look at what I can do. I can highlight what I want. Let's say so I want to highlight what I want to have included in the graph, and then what I want to do is go up here to insert, and I want to click insert, and then right here I want to click graph. Okay, so I want to click on my graph, and here it is. My crude birth rate shows right up. Okay, let's say I'm going to delete that because let's just cut it. And let's say I'm going to do this instead. I'm going to scroll this over and I need to do crude death rate. So I'm going to highlight the two columns that I need in my graph, and then I'm going to hit insert, and then I'm going to do this. Insert, boop, here it goes. Look at how easy that is, right? And then what I want to do is I can copy this and I can paste it in a Word document, or let's say I go here to sheet 2, I can do that, right? Sheet 1 or sheet 2. Oops, if I go here to sheet, why is it not letting me go to my sheet? If I go to sheet 2, I can paste it here if I want, and then I can upload it. But here's the best thing that I would do. Like, look, I could paste it here and then I have it there. But the best thing to do is open a Google Doc, and then I can paste it in a Google Doc, and then on the next page, I can paste the next graph and the next graph and the next graph, and then they're all in one file for me. So it's really simple to do. So if I go back to my Excel sheet, if I go all the way back, sorry, because this takes up a little bit of space here. I need to go back to my sheet. Oh no, where's my sheet 1? Here's my sheet 1, right? I want to go back to my sheet 1 that has my information on it. And let's say I need to do rate of increase. I just kind of scroll that over, and then I have the two that I need right there. I highlight both columns. I hit insert table, and it should show up right there. Okay, and then I can copy that table, right click and copy the table, and I can paste it into a Word document. Okay, if you have any other questions, let me know. I hope this helps.